So we're about to roll. Francisco out here in Tokyo, Japan.
How much fun are we gonna have tonight, guys?
Dude.
Look at this, man.
Yeah, this is nice. Look at this behind us. Look at that. So yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Crooked. Wherever you are in the world.
Around the world,
in
different
Japan.
time zones.
Yeah.
It's still yesterday in California.
You guys are still you're in Thursday. We're in Friday. So welcome back to the channel. Friday evening. This is gonna be my last night here. Francisco still has a couple
nights left.
Few nights, right? But we're going in the R35, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna head to. Actually, you know all the spots. You know more than I do. Actually, thanks to Francisco, we booked this.
Yeah,
Daikoku.
we're going Daikoku tonight.
Daikoku.
We're going to Tatsumori parking area, which is, if you know, you know. And then Umiyatori parking area. That's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes.
I hope I pronounced them right. If not, YouTube search, you guys will see what I'm talking
Exactly.
about. Should be a fun night. Kari, man, come on. This is why we're here in Tokyo. Check out this.
Yeah. R35. There's a A86 behind there as well.
Look around as much as you want, just don't
Thank
film
you.
the mess.
Oh, no worries. And by the way, that's also Jeremy. Look at that.
His collection.
Yeah, that's nice. I just bought some too. I'll show you guys footage right now of a place we went to called, was it Ken Box?
Yeah, Ken Box.
And which is in Shinjuku. So you can see here, nice collection as well. So.
Fast and Furious.
Cool. So 303 garage. And then look at that. Fast and the Furious.
Oh, he has a Lego.
Dude, didn't we have this as kids?
Yeah.
Like this garage?
Imagine if we would have kept
Oh, I
that
know.
with all the cars that we have now. It's so funny because we went backwards and now we're collecting die-cast Hot Wheel cars now.
Yeah.
And like, imagine all the cars we had back when we were kids.
Oh yeah, and we still
Some
had them.
gold mines in there.
Yeah,
man.
some bad ones too.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
don't mean that like Michael Jackson.
Hey, maybe Michael Jackson.
Maybe like Michael
maybe
Jackson.
Michael
It's like
Jackson,
it
bad.
depends how you.
Good, bad.
That depends how you think of it. Is that some sort of like transformer?
And check out the
A few of these.
Six back here.
Oh yeah. Ooh, so cool. Really nice collection. Ooh. Oh look, another car. Pulling up another A86. Pulling up. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Wonder if they're rolling with us too. Oh, that's cool. All of them are BMW. Also, the Honda is pretty cool too. Oh, that's right there.
And the Honda
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
I know, yeah. The Honda K-Van, the BMW, the BMW Supra.
Yeah.
This one, the Supra. That's clean. All right, GTR is warming up. It's very nice. There's this Australian family who got the experience for their kids. So their kids are going to roll in that one. Francisco and I are going to roll in this one. Oh, how fun. Yeah. There's a lot of space too. There's more space than our. I can't fit 3 cars in my garage. Yeah, everything. Air compressor. Yeah, a lot of toys in Japan, in Tokyo. That's all you need. Yeah. Here we are. Here we going. Up to you, man. You want to go front first or back?
I'll go in the back seat. You go.
Okay,
in the back
okay.
seat.
Thank you so much. Very good to meet you too. Take care. Wow. Yeah.
Every time you hear a journey, he's like,
Yeah, because I thought she was talking to me for a second. So Francisco, make sure you shorten your legs when you get back there. right in the middle.
So great. That's a Nissan.
Believe it or not, this is actually my first time riding in a
Nissan GTR?
any GTR.
Wow, really?
Yeah, so I've sat in them, but how about you? Never. So first time for both of us. How you feeling back there?
I'm feeling good actually, man.
Good?
Yeah, seriously,
Okay.
Yeah,
This thing really hugs you.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah. How do you have 2 garages, Jeremy? How do you have 2 garages in Tokyo?
Middle of Tokyo. Yeah.
That's incredible.
I'm a very lucky guy.
The ramen junction.
I call this inside the arena. But I'm pretty sure it will come, so don't worry about it. It's coming in.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, just park. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Hey, you know where the bathrooms are by any chance?
Yes.
I'll cut that out from the video.
Oh. My bad.
No, I won't. I'm leaving that in. This guy got it. Hopefully, just number 1.
Years, so I finally figured out where the bathrooms are.
Oh, 3 Alfa Romeo.
Ooh, really?
Yeah, right there.
Didn't see anything. So last Thursday.
Whoa, look at the gold rims on that one, dude.
Oh, yeah. LS 430. Well, over here it's a Toyota, not a Lexus. All right, here we go. Daikoku. I'm probably saying it all messed up. But finally made it after all these years of wanting to be here. Francisco hooked it up. Look at this. Honda NSX. That's right. And then I need to get closer to where they're coming in because our driver, Jeremy, which is a wonderful name, Jeremy, is made the point of like it's better to get them moving, which I agree, than just parked. Honda S660, LS560, oh no, 600H, sorry. Oh, it actually has Lexus badges. Yeah, R32, RX-7 FC. And we were learning about the license plates a lot from our driver, Jeremy. He said when it's crossed out like that, it usually means that it's a temporary tag. Oh, damn, Nissan coming in hot. 2 Skyline R34s. And between it, there's a Toyota of some sort. Thank you. Type R. Oh, sounds so good. So yeah, shout out to my friend Richard. He just picked up an RX-8 and can't wait to see what he does with it. Yeah, meanwhile, you heard earlier Francisco's somewhere looking for a bathroom. When you get to our age, you plan out your days, your times, your coffee based on where the next bathroom is. Oh, very nice GTR. R34s. Man, got the BMW E36. Got a Subaru. I don't even know if he's here for the meet, but it's still cool. We got a Honda Civic SI? Or is this a Type R? Oh, here it's a Type R. That is sick. Mitsubishi Evo. If it's a Celica? Oh yeah, it is a Celica with only one headlight. They got the Porsche 997 GT3. Oh, we got a Nissan R34 Skyline. Oh no, I thought it was an Aston Martin, but it's a Genesis. I got fooled by the emblem. Check out the R34 again. GTR. Look at this. What's that? A Mitsubishi Eclipse? Oh yeah, Mitsubishi Eclipse.
Left drive too.
Oh, was it left-hand drive? Oh yeah, convertible too, or Spider? Oh, let's see. It's a Mazda. Mazda 6? Or at least what we would call a Mazda 6 in the States. Oh, nice. The Honda. Oh, the Honda emblem changes color. Audi. BMW. Yeah, nice kit. Another Bavarian Motorworks. Right-hand drive. Oh, look at that. Another GTR. R34. That's a Mitsubishi behind it. Very nice V-Spec too. Ooh, sounds good. RX-8. Another R34. Followed by another R34. Followed by a R35. Hella GTRs. Toyota, no, or yeah, was that Cressida or something? My Fair Lady. We're not gonna call it Z while we're out here. What was that, Subaru? And a very nice, what was it? Onivans. Follow her Onivans. R34, R34, R34. You guys are probably getting tired of me saying R34. Take a shot every time I say R34.
Oh.
Ooh. Spider. I don't know if it's a. Oh, I can't tell if it's a RS. But either way, it's still a Spider. Is that Audi? Oh, close to that, yeah. R34. You guys drunk yet? So sick. R34 Skyline.
Dope ass cars. You got your money for it. That's nice.
This is dope. Oh, there's a bunch coming in now. Wow. Oh, it has the light up plates. Nissan Altima. Maybe it's a Skyline here. I don't know. Lexus LS 460. Oh, the Fast and the Furious. R35 GTR. Take another shot. R34. Followed by another R34. Again, take another shot. One more coming in. It's a Porsche Boxster. I used to have a, oh, this is a left-hand drive Boxster. It's a 987. This is what I had. I had a 987. This one's the base model. Still very nice though. Still a lot of bang for buck. Mid-engine. Very well balanced, yeah. Ooh, nice Sylvia. And then, yeah, behind the Miata, Chevy C8, right-hand drive. Oh, look at that. R34 all blued out. Renault. We don't get these in the States, or yeah, no, we don't. And from what our driver Jeremy was saying is that only the nice ones come here to Japan. That is a nice. That's cool.
Look at that. Look at the bumper.
So sick. Nissan Taxi, right-hand drive.
Oh,
Another R35. And then this thing, really nice Mitsubishi. And Altezza. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I love the Altezza. Remember when everyone would do the tail lights from the Altezza?
Put them on everything. On everything.
Wow. Oh, this the Nismo?
Yeah, that
Wow. Super nice Nismo R35.
That's about
Sounds good. Jesus. Subi. Behind the Subi, you got the IS, or I don't, oh, is it an IS here? Yeah.
These wagons are dope too.
That is dope. Oh, I love those wagons. Oh, Evo coming in hot. Oh, I love it. I love it.
wanted to just not worry about it.
Oh yeah, no, that was the. Oh, nice. Yes. Sounds good. Very nice. Here we go. Was that a Civic? Yep.
Is that a Ford?
It's a Honda Civic.
That's a Honda Civic.
Yeah. Mazda. Yeah, it is. It's like a dirt bike. Can't feel any. Yeah, barely.
Even with gloves on and everything.
Exactly. That's clean. The M2 BMW. Oh, I don't know what that is. R34, take a shot. The 4 doors are sick. So this is the. That I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what? He probably changed the tail lights and the headlights.
This would be. It takes place of an
The Avalon, right? Yeah.
Because it's not a Camry. I'm like,
It's not a Camry and it's not a LS either.
Yeah.
So we're walking around now. Most of these cars you saw roll in anyways, and there's gonna be some that we will miss rolling in, like this A86. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? Type R Civic. Okay. Let's see. Whoop, someone's horny. Damn, look at that color. That sparkle. Ooh, that's nice. The IS. Yeah, this Supra is so nice. I know, man. So many. Imagine just one of these would have like a whole crowd around. Oh, this one's wide body.
Dude, it's a wide body. Shade down looks.
Ooh, this is actually purple. It's hard to see. Evo. Liberty Walk R35 that you see around Shibuya. All right, here at the end, when we came driving in, we saw these 3 Alfa Romeos. It was just rare to see. There, I don't know much about these actually, so we don't have these in the States. Jeez, V6 in these? That's a lot. And they're right-hand drive. Oh, it's a lowrider. You see that? Look at that lowrider. Yes. Got the bass. Got the Suzuki. Yes. All right. Let's go back to these Alphas. That's the Alpina that I was talking about. There's another Alpina, Alpine. No, I don't know. Though the one the yellow one that I showed you,
Yeah,
it's the same as this.
Same as
yeah, that's why I was like, is it mid-engine or something? Because it almost looks like there's something through the glass. Subaru wagons. Oh, there's a pick 'em up truck here. Built Ford Tough. It's a Chevy like a rock. Nah, it's not neither one of those things that I said. It's hard to tell, right? But it almost looks like the engine's in the back, right? Oh, R33 GTR, my favorite of all the GTRs. Wow. 997 Boxster. Another Subaru. Supra. Another R34. Take a shot. All right, we're limited in time because we have more places to go to. So let's see. What do you say, Francisco? This is our trip, dude. So, which way you want to go? You want to go to the left, or you want to go?
You want to get these R30 all in this little area?
Yeah, let's go get them. Yeah.
5, 6.
Yeah, very cool. The Alpina. If you watch my old video, or if you watch the first video I did in Tokyo, I found an Alpina or Alpine or whatever you call it, and according to Meta, it's Alpine. And I didn't know much about it, but luckily the owner of this car said that it's a mid-engine 4-cylinder turbo, so it's very similar to my 4C as far as engine spec and probably maybe even weight ratio, horsepower, all that. Depends how light it is too, but it looks small. Yeah, but yeah, these Subarus, the wagons are super cool. And then we saw, wait, what's that over there? Huh. You know what I don't see? Any Preludes. I'm not talking about the new one. I'm talking about any Prelude.
Yeah.
Yeah, so imagine I brought my left-hand drive Prelude here. Probably would do all right. This is nice. I was like, thank you,
awesome.
man. Trying face.
That's awesome.
All Volk wheels. It's funny, people are like, whatever you do, just don't get these wheels. Unless you get them used, exactly. Yeah. Almost got killed by a caveman, that would suck. Oh yeah, it's that R34 Skyline. What's the green car over there? Oh, it's a Supra, huh? Look at this. Color, yeah. That is nice. right, so it is getting much better and better, but we have a schedule to stick to. We got to go hit up some more spots, which I'm totally fine with, but hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, so yeah, we decided to stay a little bit longer. We got the what I thought was an Aston Martin.
Just do the dun, dun, dun. Oh, hey, we're gonna stay a little longer.
Oh yeah, oh, that's a good idea.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, damn. There's Godzilla. Oh, I don't know if that means it's time to dip.
That's it right there.
I think that's time to go. That might mean it's time to go. So, good thing we didn't go too far.
It was cool though. I wanted to be there for that. I want to
I think that's it. Yeah. So we'll hop back into the R35, and we got a couple more places to go to. Oh yeah, so it is a RS Spider. Very nice. But yeah, you can hear we're still standing here, but we're gonna go. Oh, okay, cool. All right, so yeah, that was easy. We saw him here. Now we're time to go, get kicked out, so we get to see them
but you
leave.
know what? It's all part of the experience. What car guy in the car culture, any show, any part of the world, any part of the U.S., you go, and then the cops shut you down. And what do? We
Yeah.
go to the next spot.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the next spot, and yeah, night
Stay
meets
tuned to the next video.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the next spot is going to be the next video because our night just began.
That's it, yeah,
It's only
it's just
7
beginning.
p.m. It's only 7:05 p.m. and they're already shutting it down. But it's Friday night. Tokyo, Daikoku. Where we go next?
I don't
Video
know.
number 2. I really don't know, but we have 3 more places to go to tonight.
Oh, 3 more. I
more.
told them we had 2 more places, but I guess we got 3
the
more
shop,
times.
if the shop counts.
Ah, that counts.
Which-
Yeah. Oh, there goes a Hayabusa for my motorcycle friends. The Hayabusa Suzuki is a 1300cc bike.
when they try to do burnouts and they hit the wall right here.
It's usually the wall up here, and I got a couple of crashes.